1 Samuel 3:9 says, "Speak, Lord, for your servant is listening." I wish you, Father Sibin, a happy ordination day.
പൗരോഹിത്യം എന്നത് ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ ദാനമാണ്. പൗരത്വ ശുശ്രൂഷയുടെ 6 വർഷക്കാലം പിന്നിടുന്ന പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട ഷിബിനസിന് പൗരോഹിത്യ ദിനത്തിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും സ്നേഹത്തോടെ നേരുന്നു.
Chapter 15 verse 16 says, "You did not choose me, but I chose you." Dear loving Father Shibin, I wish you a very happy ordination anniversary.
గౌరవనీయులైన ఫాదర్ శిబిని గారికి నా హృదయపూర్వకముగా గురు పట్టాభిషేకం శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను.